going to do one more waiata before Awi. And it goes something like this. Oh, where's the note? Right, number 2, 3. You who heard me. Is that the right note? Yes. You want one more? They're way out of time, but you want one more? I'll sing it, you follow. Yeah.